What's up, everybody? It's your boy Cody. I'm back again. So today is Monday, March 8th. So yesterday, some big things happened here at Disney. Blizzard Beach reopened, and I'm going in. I'm going in a day later. You know, I had some stuff to get done yesterday. I wasn't feeling good, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get through temperature check, scan in. I do have the water park annual pass left over from last year. It did get extended all the way through until Christmas Eve of this year. So once I get on the other side, I'll show you guys around, see how everything's going nowadays. Alrighty, everybody, I am in Blizzard Beach. And yes, it is dead right now. Then again, here in Florida right now, it's only about 72 degrees. But the pools are heated, and it's gonna be fun. You got the beach house, the different merchandise shops, the Spirit jerseys. Yeah, I gotta find me a locker. Then I'm gonna go on some slides, chill around the lazy river. I did bring the GoPro today. I'm gonna see what the rules are with the GoPro and everything, since I've never actually filmed here before. So it's gonna be fun. I'm glad I'm bringing you guys along on this adventure as the reopening of Disney World is further and further. With Blizzard Beach reopening, it is windy, so yeah, there's that. Alrighty, everybody, I am here. As you can tell, I don't have a face covering on right now because they don't require them. Once you go past the bridge right over there, they're not required because they don't want you waterboarding yourself. Plain and simple. But I'm gonna jump in the lazy river and gonna have some fun, yeah. I forgot to take my shirt off. I'll see you guys soon. What's up, everybody? I am in the lazy river now. Feels good to be back in the water park, y'all. You have no idea. So, yeah. Don't know why I need it too, but okay. So I cannot film on any of the slides with my GoPro because I don't have the wrist strap. I just have it on a holder. So everything with the lazy river and the wave pool I can film, but everything else I gotta put the GoPro up, which I don't know if I'm gonna be going on that stuff today or not. Today's just one of those days where I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. It is only open for another 3 hours. I got here kind of late, slept in, you know. What else do you do on your days off? But yeah, just enjoy the scenery, y'all. Yes, I am going backwards. Don't judge me. I swear, you guys, this is like the most relaxing thing ever. Just chilling in the lazy river. It's gonna be cold as hell when I get out, though. Just saying. Yeah. So I got me one of those little fancy seat things, you know. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and just peruse around the lazy river. Glad to see most of the lifeguards back to work again. Can't wait for Typhoon to open up. That's my favorite. This one's not bad, just not my favorite. But I mean, they got slides, they got Lazy River, of course, you know, all that other stuff. So with the face covering situation here, you have to wear the face covering if you're going to like the merchandise shops or anything like that. If you've ever been to Blizzard Beach, you know the bridge from like the locker area and the merchandising area, you have to wear a face covering when you go over that bridge into the merchandising and shopping area. Besides that, once you're over on this side, it's not mandatory, but you have to have it on you. So if you do go out, they do give you a little plastic bag to put your face covering in. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get wet. It's gonna be cold. Oh. Oh, and that wind though. That's why I don't think I'm gonna be here much longer today, because of the wind. Whew, that's cold. Had to wipe you guys off a little bit. See, this is life. Spending your day off at Blizzard Beach. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell notification because, yeah, when Typhoon reopens, I'll be going there and filming. Once I get the wrist strap, I'll be going on the rides and filming. But yeah. It's gonna be amazing, y'all. I promise you. It's a crazy adventure in 2021. Good, how about you?
Doing good.
Glad to see it's reopened.
Yeah, I know, me too. I miss all the fun here, man.
Oh yeah.
And you guys seem like the guests enjoy it, man. It was probably more of a bummer for the guests, you know?
Well, I'm 50-50. I'm guest / cast also, so.
Oh, cool. Where do you work?
Flight of Passage.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
That's like one of my favorite rides, too.
Oh, it's fun.
How was it over there, like, with the social distancing?
There ain't much social distancing going on right now over there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's busy, too.
Yep. Real busy over there. You too, man. So yeah, like I said, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here today. This is just to come see how it works, because you know I do have the water park annual pass still. It was supposed to expire in January, but since the water parks were closed for so long, they extended mine all the way until Christmas Eve, as I said earlier. But I'm gonna be going in the merchandising shops today, see what cool merchandise they have. If my mask isn't just sopping wet. Hopefully I sealed the bag up enough. What I need to do is I need to invest in Ziploc baggies. Especially with coming to the water parks and all that. Because, okay, so with Aquatica, I went to Aquatica a lot this summer. They didn't require you to have your mask on you. You could leave your mask in the locker and be good all day. Just if you were going to go get food or something like that, you had to have it with you. But here, you have to have your mask on you. So that's why probably today when I get done here, I'm going to run it. I'm going to, depending on how wet I still am, I might go home and change and then run over to Walmart, get a box of Ziploc baggies and just keep them in my water park bag. I actually broke out my water park bag today with my towel, sunscreen, which I didn't put. My sunscreen was expired, so it was just all liquid. Yeah, should have checked that, but it's fine. It's fine. It's Florida, the sunny state, and it's about time that I start getting a tan, anyways. Again, but yeah, just relaxing today, having fun. See if I see any creatures up in there. But yeah. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to go on many slides today because I can't take you guys with me, and I'm going to have to walk all the way back over to the locker, put you all up, go back to the slide. By then I'm going to be too cold. So, but as you can tell, it is desolate here today. Like, it's empty. It's empty. Then again, this is only day 2 of opening, and it is only 72 degrees. But the pools are heated, at least. That's a good thing. More water to get you wet. Yeah. It's cold. That water is cold coming out of there. Then again, it is supposed to be a snowblower, but you know, this is Florida. We don't have snow. But yeah, I'm just chilling today, y'all. Don't know what I'm gonna end up doing today. I don't know. Kind of wish I had a park day today too, but I got a lot of stuff to take care of tomorrow. Got a lot of stuff to do, so yeah. But hey, I got the annual pass, so one of these days I gotta rope drop this. Hopefully Typhoon Lagoon gets a reopening date soon, because that's my favorite park. Typhoon Lagoon. So, yep. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, because I'll be glad to answer them.
Cameron, wait.
time in the wave pool, y'all. So relaxing, you guys, you have no idea. But I mean, when you've seen one wave pool, you've basically seen them all. So, just wanted to get some nice shots of the wave pool. Alrighty, y'all, I am out of the wave pool. Starting to get a little cold, so I'm gonna go grab my towel, dry off a little bit, maybe get a bite to eat. I don't know yet. But as you see, they got these like little cabanas that you can rent right here that are pretty awesome. They got a shade covering, little table to eat at, stuff to lay down on, chairs, a safe to keep all your stuff in. As you see, there's a lot of them. A little beachy area with sand. But if you've never been to Blizzard Beach, I suggest coming out here. If you're on a family vacation, or even if you're local and you just want to get away for the day, come down here to Blizzard Beach. As you see, it's empty. The water is heated because it is currently 71, 72 degrees today. And here I am, crazy, in Blizzard Beach. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab my towel. I gotta put my mask back on, and I'm gonna dry off a little bit, see what they have inside the merchandise shops. So maybe grab a bite to eat. Like I said, I don't know yet. It's all up in the air. It's only open for another couple of hours, I think. But there's like nobody here today, which is nice. Because come summertime, this place is going to be packed. Because it's going to get hot. It's going to start getting hot. It's going to start getting too warm. And us locals are going to come to the water parks, of course. Now, Aquatica is open, so is Volcano Bay. But if you're here at Disney, might as well catch a Disney bus and come on down to Blizzard Beach. It's a fun time. Alright, y'all, when I get back to the locker and I get my towel and all that, I'll take you guys in the merchandise shop, see what they have all got going on there. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. Alrighty, y'all, that'll do it for me today here from Blizzard Beach. I'll be back again soon, just when it warms up a little bit, and I have a strap for the GoPro. It was fun, super dead. Everything was basically walk-ons, so I mean, it was awesome. It is a little chilly. It is 68 degrees today. I just checked the weather app, so. But as you can see, dead. Dead for a water park here in Florida. Alrighty, y'all. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe. And if you haven't already, hit that bell notification icon because, well, it lets you notify when I upload new videos. And guess what? I'll be doing that a lot more lately. So, yeah. And again, thanks for joining me on the adventure today. I'll be back in a few days to Blizzard Beach again. When Typhoon opens, I'll be there. I'm going to be upgrading my pass for Universal. So I'm going to see how much is that going to cost me to upgrade it for the water park. And I'll be doing there too. I don't know about Aquatica, but I'll see what I can do. But yeah, until next time, y'all, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends and family so they know it's safe to come to Florida and to the water parks. And again, until next time, y'all, I'll see you real soon.